Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an extreme clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. My dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. So I'm starting off in the laundry room today. As you can see, it's turned into a bit of a dumping ground. I've been hanging it washing and we've just been taking it straight from here rather than putting it away. So this is definitely the room that I wanted to start off with. So I'm just going to go in, give it a bit of a tidy up, do the ironing and finally get some wash loads done. I've got about 3 or 4 wash loads to get done today. So there's lots of laundry motivation in today's video as well. So I'm just going to crack on with this, getting everything put away and just getting this room back. So I don't think I ever let the washing build up this much before, but I wasn't doing anything over the Christmas period and it just got a little bit on top of me, so I need to crack on with that today as we're now running out of clothes. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a wash load on before I then start the ironing, because I want this room completely clear because it's just got a little bit out of control. So I'm just going to stick this wash load on and then head back upstairs and finish the ironing. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. So I always forget how long ironing actually takes me to do. I always just assume that it's going to be a quick 10-minute job and then I can just get everything put away and it'll be done within minutes, but that's never the case. It always takes me about an hour just to do a few tops, so I'm really glad that there's not too much ironing to get done today. Everything still needs washing, so I've got 2 or 3 wash loads left to do, but then I can just hang them up to dry and forget about them until tomorrow. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite. like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'm so happy to finally have this room done. It literally feels like it's been a dumping ground for weeks now, but I do think it's only been like 4 or 5 days. But you know what I'm like when it comes to clutter, it always gets on top of me and it always feels 10 times worse than it actually is. So I'm really glad that I've got that done, and now I can just start in the kitchen doing all the washing up that was left from the night before, because again, nothing's been getting done around here. I really need to get back on it. So I'm just going to do the washing up, clean down the sides and get everything put away, just so my kitchen is nice and clean and ready for the day.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a gift.
So once that was all done, I'm just going to whiz round and put a few things away. As you can see, it's not too messy today, and then I can go in with my Flash all-purpose spray, give everything a good wipe over, including all of the cupboards and drawers and everything, and just make sure everything is nice and disinfected, ready for the day. As you noticed, I did do the washing up slightly different today. I wanted to fill it up and see how I got on doing it that way, but it actually took me twice as long to do the washing up like that, so I don't think I'll be doing that again, because I did have to keep putting the tap on anyway to rinse it all off, and I just think it's so much quicker doing it the other way. So thought I would give it a go, but it's really not for me. So now I'm just going to crack on wiping everything down and getting my kitchen nice and clean for the day, because you know I absolutely love a nice fresh kitchen.
Yeah, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it.
So once I'd sorted out the first wash load, I could then head back downstairs and put all the washing up away, ready to clean the sink, because you know I love a nice clean shiny sink. It's one of my favourite things to do is clean the sink. So I'm just going to declutter everything and get it looking nice and put together, so I can then go in with my sift cream and white vinegar spray, buff it up and make it nice and shiny.
Anything like you, and I expect as much. We're both more than ready to go from look to touch, and that's the start.
I mean, seriously, how gross is this? I don't think my sink has ever looked this bad before. I don't know what's happened this Christmas. I seem to have just left everything and it's just got super bad. So I need to go in and give it a good scrub so it can actually start looking like my sink again, because I don't know what's happened to it over the last few days.
We can get it done. Don't do, and doers don't watch. Watchers don't do, so let's step it up a notch. We can do it, we can get it done, and doers don't watch. Watchers don't do.
So I'm now heading through into the front room, and this is actually one of the rooms that I've tried to keep on top of, so it isn't too bad. Obviously Cinnabon just takes over the floor, so his toys are always spread everywhere, but I've been trying to keep on top of all of the rubbish and just the general mess, so there's not too much to do today. I just need to whiz round and give it a quick tidy up. I'm also going to dust and hoover, and hoovering this new rug I think is the most satisfying thing in the world. You know that I love hoovering, but having the hoover lines in this rug is just everything.
So let's step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers. Yes, we're doers. 'Cause we're doers. And doers don't watch.
So it's now time to go in and swap the washing over so I can hang up the second wash load, and honestly it feels like I've been doing this all day long and I'm only just about to hang up the second. So this is literally an all day thing, and I'm so glad I finally have today to just focus on the washing, because like I said before, we are running out of clothes and it's so nice to see them all hanging up ready to put away the next day. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also do go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.